or before ngiye kumsebenzi I went to your country ngayovakasha. I wanted to heal. I wanted
wahamba isikhathi esingakanani?
Yo, ngahamba I think a month or two, but ngahamba ngabuya. There was a guy wayomakhelwane wethu lapha. Mina I'm ngumuntu ongenankinga ke. So ubaba lo mayexoxa ngize ngimbuze na ngeZimbabwe ngithi kahle kahle ngani interested ngomgabe ngoba ngiyeza cha ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi what kind of a president is he ene mayesho lo but athi ngakithi kuhle lo wayesebenza kodwa wayenemoto angazi metrucking kanjani angichazele the way kuhle ngakhona in your country, the way abantu bephila ngakhona, the way yena kwakhe kuhle. Mina ngine picture ukuthi eZimbabwe kunemikuku kunezindlu ezitshekile, and actually I got a surprise of my life. So ubaba lo ngimtshela ukuthi you know I need a break. Ngidinga ukuphuma. Ngicela ukuvakasha kini unkosikazi wakhe uyinto esikoleni uka department of what uyinto enkulu lo yamama lapha with the kids and ubaba khona la mongabheka the way bamtreatha ngakhona umama khona ngale she's big angipha ama direction first time here I went with ama directions I went with ngangisaba ukuthi kwathiwa kuya yebo so ngathi umfana ngasekhaya ubo
uzokuvikela kanjani masebe kunjani
just ukuthi mhlawumbe uzofika asho ukuthi hayi ngahamba nodade yabo wafike ngamcela impela ngamkhokhela even ipassport ngathi ngicela ungiphelezele I want to go to Zim I want to go there cela ungiphelezele ngamenzela ipassport ngamnika imali yonke itransport yonke into yimi
Tionkata le
wena yonkata makwenzeka ubheka so push ngiyabona ngambosha imali elengangidomsha I went there kwaba like mangizogibela I met omunyu angazi ngathi ngizwa ngathi usashana omunyu ubhuti we Ndolwane Super Sounds ngathi uyasebenza kwi management.
Okay.
I love rumba music by the way. So ngihlangana naye anginikeze nje nama number nama address abantu engizofika ngihlangane nabo ngale mthithi ngiyanga
ku arts and stuff.
Yes. Ngimsho ukuthi ngiyovakasha ngale anginikeze nama number la Jay's ngize mangise Boragate ngihlangane no Oliver Mtukudzi.
Yeah.
It was a very beautiful moment in the early hours of the morning. I think ngaba 6 sana kuphumela. Kwa yazi Nkosi yami nje ngabona ukuthi ngadlula ngafika ngale I met Abu Jays I went to Gwanda inyama yalapha mfethu ukuthi yabona ke iyona nyama engangisola ngathi yabona le ngathi iyona angiyazi nyama emnandi imnandi masekwani angazi ukuthi ihloboni or inkomo or imbuzi or but whatever it's imnandi besla bengise ngangifikele koBulawayo ke I went to lo kuyini lo Bhengula yes I went to Sanetsen lapho ngahlala kaNdlovu for a week. Yeah, a week namalanga nje kwakumnandi lapho kwabamnandi ngase ngabuya futhi sengipholile ngabuya ngafocus ke kubonini it was so beautiful.
Awuzange ngicabanga ukwenza any collaboration your music ngesikhathi useZimbabwe
mawungabuye cabanga uJay's bekana ukuthi makangapha sihlangane naye we wanted to do something kwasho ukuthi mhlambe ngicabanga ukuthi isikhathi besingakabi right because
ukuthi manje
lisangayenza because we also spoke about
ngoba nawe ukhuluma ngento ezifana nokuretire nokwenza naye kumelanga retire before we
yabona ngalesi sikhathi leso ke it was even more interesting because Jay's sasikhuluma ngendaba yokwenza a festival ezoba some sort of a cultural exchange yabo manje sishawa ukuthi kunale ndoda lebe ingale beyivele ifuna into eyiningi abantu mangukuthi yena mhlambe lo khona kuyakhuluma ngicela ngikhulumele
okay ayilokho nje njenge
sikhulumele naye and yes and then
something for
I think Jay's uyangowisha leyo nto leyo nami ngiyam-owisha leyo nto we both owe our countries.
Yeah, Jay's marabini ngiyazi ukuthi you follow us. Ngiyazi ukuthi la ukhona uzomuzwa. Ubonene still want i-project lela nikhuluma ngayo.
Let's sikhuluma ngayo and because I follow him on Facebook and I'm happy ukubona ukuthi he's progressing. Yes, usayisha mina ke mina sengi-right.
The album yakhe is the 10th album and he was saying kungaba ngokugcina.
Yeah, akube yokugcina album but we still owe both our countries lento sasikhulume ngayo.